So hello, how is everyone doing? So for the first time in like forever, I feel like it was good. It was a good thing that like there is no one, there is no one on my stream right now. I got as per what Twitch is saying to me, I got 0 viewers. And why am I happy about it? I am happy about it because for the first time, well, I've been doing this for months, and for the first time, I hate start streaming the start streaming button, and suddenly I got compelled to. I got compelled. I got called by nature. Nature was calling me, and as one does, I answered it. I was like, oh, I just hit start streaming. I always do like, I don't know, around 6 minutes before start streaming. Before I actually start streaming, right? So yeah, I just I just went to the bathroom, and there, I started. I don't know. Started with a simple B, and then 5 seconds later, we got a little something else. A little number two, and then I started shitting, and then it didn't stop, and then I had to clean myself, and yeah, that was like 20 minutes ago. No, it was like 13. I'm just being dramatic. But yeah, we are contractually obligated, even though there is no contract, to work on freaking Firefly today. As I promised my teammates, I was going to freaking... What do we have in here? I was going to freaking work... I kind of want this part of the code also. I was going to fucking have... Cuck? What? Fuck. Yes. Add it all. Okay. Add it all? Let's reset everything.
Test.
Oh man, oh, I'm here. 2 lurk. Hey, happy lurking, Anubis, and welcome bestie to the stream. Even though you're just lurking, I hope you rejoice. I hope you like your lurking experience. Thank you for just dropping by. Also, yeah, I was going to ask about that. I was going to ask if the Discord message had even happened. But nice that it happened. I added it just for you. How glad you liked it. Glad you liked it. I need to control myself, sorry. Never leaving. So now, today we are working. Thank you for posting out. No problem. It was like, not me though. It was the bot. Let's go, bot. Let's go. I mean, we have it like kind of, maybe a little bit set up. Like we have rules and everything. Maybe I should start like kind of advertising it again. Like Discord, let's go. Okay, there we go.
Hoyer. I am here. To lurk. Saw it in your Discord XD.
Let's open it again and pray for the best. Yes, Discord! Let's go! Let's go! Ah! Did you notice I'm almost at 100 followers, Anubis? Can you believe it? I think I'm going to be so happy when I reach 100 that I will do another karaoke stream. Let's commemorate. Let's commemorate. I will embrace the feeling. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Embrace the feeling.
Test.
What?
9 more.
Test? You know what? This is strange. Like auto HUD is my overlay. It's acting strange. Like I configured some more stuff, and especially I added some logs to like help me figure out, maybe, probably, hopefully, how to, you know, how to fix the problem of like the delayed TTS messages, which is kind of funny, but like this kind of doesn't happen when we are running the auto HUD from Godot, but it is happening. But it is happening when we run it from the compiled version, which is concerning. Cause I don't know, what's happening. I feel kind of distressed. Whatever is happening. Ba 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 ba. No, 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 no. Let's see. Let's test something here. Test 1, 2, 3.
Test.
It doesn't like to pronounce 1, 2, 3.
Test 1, 2, 3.
Huh. That's terrible. I hate it. Oh, I might have an idea. If that's it, which doesn't really make sense. Oh, kinda does make sense. Let's try this then. User text. Ah. Maybe this will work better. Probably. Let's hope for the best. Huh? Huh? Let's close this and open it again. So let's just test 1, 2, 3.
Test 123.
Good. I think I fixed it. Damn, that's interesting. That's interesting. That's a funny bug. Funny bug. Should it happen though? Should it happen? Maybe it should. I'm not happy about it, but I think it should happen, yeah. Anyway, I think the TCS is now working, hopefully. Let's hope for the best. Let's go. Okay, so what are we doing again? Oh yeah, the TTS now it probably should be done. The fix I was trying to apply here, and we are back on the battle UI thingy. What do you want to add in here? We want to discard the change from Project Godot because like I don't even know what this change is about, and yeah, that's just it. But we did add some more commands to the battle manager script, which is interesting, you know.
This is not a test.
Hey, it seems to be working. Let's go. So apparently the bug where the TTS was only reading old messages was a bug in my configuration and not technically on the code, which is not good, but from the errors they could be. This is probably the better outcome, you know. Anyway, and we also want this comment. Ba ba da ba da 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 ka kalakta. I feel like I should add a lyrics button, not a lyrics button, but like the lyrics from the song should always be on the corner of the screen, you know? Look at this.
Does your stream have music?
Yeah, it does. Don't you hear it? Because if you don't hear it, that's kind of a problem. Yeah. There you go. Look at this. Oh no! Come back.
I don't hear it.
There you go.
But I'm not using headphones, so.
Oh, the music should be lower than my voice, but let's try making it a little bit louder. So you got the Spotify here. Maybe it's better now? Maybe you can't hear it after all? Moya by Canada Patoro make camera carella show.
Yes. That's good.
Nice, good volume. I like that. It's good for you, good for me, it's good for everybody. Let's go. Hey, that's not good. Oh no, it's fine. It's fine. So apparently there was some big updates on the main branch, and I kind of need to update it all. Rebase with main. Let's see. Mare fuji as ladet and sproil. Yo, da toyo kayo kale. Falare apuyo. Migita yakuto na me kaimera kala. Yo, da yoro kukeku hale. Falare apufo. Migita yakuko hey yama. Te kaimera lala. Baircho. Can you imagine, like, this language means freaking nothing. I don't know, like, how can you even write a lyrics for a song that doesn't mean anything? I don't understand how that happens. How one can manage to do it, you know? It's too much power. It is just too much power. Ooh, that song hates me good every time.
It may mean stuff.
No, it actually doesn't mean anything. Like the community kind of calls the language like gibberish, because it is gibberish. Like it's a made up language that doesn't mean anything. It just like I heard an interview with the author of the songs, the composer of the songs, and they just created a language with like what they think based. They created like an inventory of a phonetic inventory of created constructed language from the imagination of the composer, which was basically like
My hubby tried to do world building with
basically
me once, and we had to come up with our own language.
Hey, that's really fun. That's so fun. I love word building. But yeah, no, the language they came up was basically just the phonetical inventory for a language based on like how the people who were creating the language thought that thought that the global language would develop based on French, English, and Japanese, like mixing it all together. And I don't know where French came from, but whatever. So yeah, that's kind of the language. Maybe the person who was responsible for actually creating the phonetical inventory like actually made up a language that had some sorts of meaning, but like I don't think, as far as the internet knows about it, it has no meaning. Oh yeah, kind of Singlish. Yeah, exactly, kind of Singlish. Let's wait for the TTS to use your message.
Yes, kinda like Simlish.
There you go. It's kind of working. I feel happy that's working. Oh, you didn't wait for the TTS to read your message. You just cleared the queue. It's fine though. It's fine. Thank you for the clear. I found out how you are there crying. Ooh, and I thought I heard you call my name. Yay. And I thought I saw you out there crying. Oh. What happened? Oh. No, it's fine. Yeah, God. Dang it, the clear didn't work. Yeah, because you cleared it too slowly. You cleared it too slowly.
And didn't work XD.
Yeah, I just barely got. Anyway, Hoyer coding and K party at the same time. Can you imagine?
Hoyer coding and K party at the same time.
I need to stop reading the chat to take advantage of the TTS reading stuff. They're crying. Woo! And I thought I heard you call my name. Yeah. And I thought I heard you out there crying. Oh. And now we all lost stars, trying to light up the dark. But are we all lost stars, trying to light up the dark? Oh man, I shouldn't have done it. Let's reload the project and hope for the best. Let's save absolutely nothing. There you go. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba. Couldn't open map 2 or file get deleted or whatever. Yeah, no problem, no problem. Can I let's try making something crazy. That you got, yeah. To the size, looks good vibes. Good vibes. Let's do something live. Display capture, media source, window capture. That's what I want. Spotify. In the day, another stolen con. That's what we were trying to do. Let's see. Another moment of my now. Okay, cool. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This is going to be fine. This is going to be nice. Look at this. Look at this.
Hello, people.
Hello, people. Who is you? Who calls for me? I'm not reading chat at the moment because I'm messing around. Oh no! If I minimize it, it goes away. Or no. Let's do it like this. Do I like it like this? Maybe I don't. In the day, That's always meet. Let's just leave this here.
Hello MR Gene. Hello a newbie.
Oh, it's
Hope
Mr.
I can call
Gene!
you that.
A newbie. Is the thing not updating? What?
Wait, am I not following a newbist?
Oh, that's a crime. That's a crime punishable by death. You should be totally ashamed of yourself. Oh, it's at your back. Don't you worry about that now. Good day, good night. It's gonna be a good day, good night. Look at this, look at this, look at this. We're cooking. We're cooking something magical, something special. I don't know what I'm talking about. As I dropped across the sky. Yeah, thank you, thank you. Please fix that. Let me see. Good, good. That's what we want to see. That's what we like to see. Like I don't know. Is this even working? Cause like I have the screen kind of displaying there, but the screen isn't updating. Or is it? And I'm just going crazy. I think it's not. I think it's not updating, and I'm not going crazy. Crazy? I was crazy once. Oh, it did update now. What? What's the problem? Oh, and you're okay. Let's try again then. Oh, there we go. It's updating for sure. Okay. Let's leave the queue in here because I like having the queue here. I like having these also. Nap dream. And I when I'd say goodbye. I don't know what it all means, but since I survive, I realize. Thank you for the follow. Thank you, Mr. Gene, for following Anubis. That's what I wanted to say. That moment when you and I like it's a last night. I like it as last night. If the world is ending, I don't wanna be next to you. If the party was over, does this work? Also, sent you a video of the dialogue system I made. Hey, look at that. Just for a while. And let's see. No, wait. If the world was ending, I don't wanna be next to you.
Also sent you a VID of a dialogue system I made before.
Let's see. Why you got no sounds? Why I got no sounds? Why is your hand on the screen? Is this part of the game or is this just like an overlay thing? You know what you mean to me.
At MRGene1234.
I'm fighting for.
Thank you so much.
By the way, Mr. Gene,
a follow back for you, Newbie12.
are you still using? You are right. You're still using. I mean, I say still like you're going to definitely going to move, right? But are you going? I mean, are you using Game Maker? Because that's just something that I wanted to ask.
Hand is overlay.
What? Hand is over. Oh, yeah. Yo, thank you so much. Now follow back you. Yeah, Game Maker. Well, for this game. Oh, well, I see. And with us. Wait a minute. Why doesn't here it says you've been playing cat-powered UFO for 72 hours in a row? What? Because yay, I don't stream, but thank you. Nice.
Add a noob.
I don't even know what changed. Like, Arya just passed by in here and changed a bunch of stuff. Like, moved stuff around and whatnot. And so let's just snoop around and see what changed. Hey, look at these. We still haven't had a. We still don't have an option to mute the shit. It's true. I wanna hold you just for a while and die with a smile. Anyway, what? Oh, the time just continued to work, I guess. But I was ending. I don't wanna be next to you. Hey, look at this. Ooh, looking great at Day and Light Cycle. Bum 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 bum.
Ooh, that looks sick.
What, the game? Yeah, right? We are working on this game. Look at this. Me, Arya, admiring, and who knows who else. I don't really know. I'm a terrible teammate. I'm a terrible teammate because I don't know. I'm just trying to do my thing. I'm responsible for the battle system right now, but I'm also like trying to make. I'm also trying to make like Joy Adventure and Auto HUD and B Streamer and Oscillator and I don't know. It's just like too much stuff. Yeah. This song also does not have lyrics. Bum, bum, ba-dum, 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 bum. Can you even read this? I don't know if you can read this. Bum, bum, ba-da-dum. Ba-da-dum, bum. Anyway, so we're trying to work on the battle system. And what is even happening? Yeah, we don't have anything committed yet. Anything like to commit yet. We haven't changed anything. And so I think the best course of action is to take advantage of these moments to, you know, move stuff around. We need to move the battle system. Oh man, no. Okay, let's think more about this. So shaders, model, icon, fonts, add-ons, probably not that. Auto load, camera, entity system, inventory data, UI, game world, resources, mesh library, inventory. Oh damn, okay. First things first, let's move the battle to inside game systems because the battle system is a game system. Okay, cool. This kind of needs to be left in there because of reasons. Mainly because of these reason. Let's just leave these at the source, I guess. A bunch of errors because oh no, one error and a bunch of warnings. Demo monster, check on your inventory. Ooh, this does not really work with the beginning of the song, right? Shit. Let's just skip a little bit. I will not run ahead, free for the bed, and I'm doing a new bed, on my abyss. Let the bottom, but hell not failure, with all desire. I don't even know what I'm doing, but like there are lyrics on the screen. Let's freaking go. Bam bam. Okay, so this is like the demo monster, I think. What is this? Oh no, okay, sorry. That's not really it. Let's try searching for script template. Okay, project. Script template, no. Oh, it's just in there, so I guess. This is kind of strange, but anyway. Let's just try getting our monster battle prototype into a scene, I guess. Some game world, we got environments, game maps, which is probably map 2, right? Yes, it's map 2 that we are trying to work with. Let's just have this little guy in here. I low-key kind of hate the music, not gonna lie. Not because it's a bad music, just because I've listened to it so many times, and also mainly because it's getting in the way of me listening to the music I want to listen to, you know. And now we have another problem. Oh yeah, there you go. What is this? Battle init. I think it's in here, right? Yeah. And feel the prophecy be something greater. And make a legacy that's not just destiny. Back in the days we wanted everything. Mama said, biographies, history, all the writer's dreams, speeding in victories. Every day we wanted everything, Mama said, don't give up. It's a little complicated, all tied up, no more love, and I hate to see you waiting. Had to have a house for the living, shouldn't have stars when I couldn't make a killing. Didn't have a time, but I always had a vision, always had high hopes. Had to had high hopes for the living. Shouldn't have a that, but I always had a vision. Always gonna be that one in a million. Always had high hopes. So for those who are wondering, I'm just like passing through all of the files in this everything, in this section of the code, because I want to search for everywhere on this code that uses like a file path, because I changed the folder location. The file paths were broken, so I think now it's fine. I think I fixed them all, which was like only one instance, but either way. No more love, and I hate to see you waiting. How can I I'm very frustrated about this, because this little slider here does not control the song. I know, and we don't got no options to lower the sound or anything, so that's the stuff that grinds on my gears. What is this? Start living, shouldn't have stars, but I always had a feeling. Always gonna be that one in a million. Always had high hopes. So this was supposed to be working, but I guess it's not. So I don't know. UI scene, right? Let's just go UI layer, battle UI, battle UI scene. There you go. Didn't have a time, but I always got a feeling. Always gonna be that one in a million. Always had high hopes. Had you had. Look at this. We flying. We no flying no more. Oh, I forgot about those. Okay, so battle needs to be switched with... I mean, source prototype needs to be switched for game systems. Ba-dum-bum, ba-da-dum-bum. Let's try again. Let's try again. One more time. Get to me one more time. I just feel like... Anyway, let's forget about it. Look at this. We got battle. We got battle. We got like eat cucumber and we got like stoppable monsters and we got like everything. Look at that. Crazy. One more battle. Then I switch it to the back. And then Migo switches to the back. And then Shirakadam removal. And then we dealt like 1500 damage to Migo. And Migo died. But look at this. Migo is still taking actions. Migo don't know when they died. And that's a problem. Well, but first, I think we moved all the files that we wanted to move anyway. There we go. Look at this. There we go. Debug, not debug. Move. Yeah. Where is my truck? Yeah, there we go. Move battle system into game systems folder. There we go. I feel like this is good enough. One more, I think. Oh yeah, I forgot about this. Let me just start freaking tracking the time I spend doing stuff. Oh yeah. Okay, so now we need to work on the theft detection, I think. Let's try working on a theft detection then. There you go. To do depth detection of a site, how can we do it? And also, where's the battle agents? Do we have the party, but we don't have well, we do have access to the opponent with the turn, so I guess kind of strange, but also who cares? Kind of strange, but who cares? So manager, in here we need to detect some stuff. What do we need to detect? We need to detect like... That's another banger. We need to detect... Let's get the Krita going. I can't stop this feeling deep inside of me. Girl, you just don't realize what you do to me. When you hold me in your arms so tight, keep it, you let me know everything's alright. Who's gonna feel it? Or something like that. I'm high on believing that you're in love with me. A ton of feeling. There you go. Look at this. We got our I don't know, black square to think about. No Thursday for a cup of wine. So, depth detection. That's what we want to do. Depth detection. That's not how you write an O. That's better, but it's not too good. This is fine, I guess. Also, 4 pixels is kind of large. Let's go back to 2 pixels. Let's go. Look at this. Or maybe even 1. Yeah, I like the pixelated drawing of whatever. Let's go. So, depth detection, which is comically large right now. What do we want to do? So, when the turn resolves, so we have like a hook, right? To when a turn ends. Or just before the turn ends, okay? Just before. That's better. That's, I don't know, idiotic. Let's go. Oh no, I did it again. Leave it there. I don't care. I'm high on believing that you're in love with me. I looked on a feeling, and I'm high on believing. And what do we want? What do we want to think about when we are thinking about the depth detection, okay? The depth detection, we need to detect like if the HP, oh my god, if the HP of a monster, of any monster, HP of any monster is below 0 or equal to 0 actually. Then we need to relay the choice of what monster should be placed in place of the dead monster, or should we? Because like what I'm thinking right now is like the difference of like, are we taking inspiration from Pokemon? That's not how you write Pokemon. Or are we taking inspiration from something like, I don't know, Dragon Quest? You know? So like if we are taking inspiration from Pokemon, then the UI for selecting what's the next monster after the monster die should just pop up. If we're taking inspiration from like Dragon Quest, we just leave the dead monster on the field and wait for the next turn to select I don't know, the change.
Hey Avi Hoyer.
Hey, Guitar Assassin!
That good LOL.
How you doing?
I sent you a short little track for my game. You should totally listen.
Yeah, let's totally listen to the track then.
fit the game.
Hey, this is a banger.
Dino dance.
But you know,
okay.
I
Basically didn't sleep this weekend hanging out and watching the biggest Smash tourney with friends. Today I got to sleep.
Look at this.
5 private message though lol.
I absolutely can't listen to the TTS. That's absurdly good. I really I really like it. I really like this. I'm doing okay. Basically, I didn't sleep this weekend. Why? Hanging out and watching the biggest Smash tourney with friends. Oh, okay, I understand. Understandable. Keep going. Today, I got to sleep from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Oh my god. Nice, I guess. Hey, we got one more. Look at this. Updates. So yeah, if you want to write songs similar to Spider Dance or Spider Dance remix, you should definitely just listen to the Guitar Assassin's opinion on that. Yeah. Hubby World.
Pseudo wave at Thegu Guitar Assassin.
Pa para pa para pa 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 para pa 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 pa. Oh, that's minor 4. It's so cute. It's so cute that you can understand, you can identify that. Damn.
Oh, that minor 4 is so cute. I love this.
Pa para pa 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 para. Pa 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 para pa para pa 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 pa. The hub world will have more trees and stuff and towns in hub world. What are you, gay? Hey Denzel, how you doing? I am actually not really gay. Can you imagine? Not really gay. Pa 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 pa. Are you gay, Denzel? Ha! Not anymore. Suck it. Do you miss being gay yet? We are chilling to some music done by Mr. Gene. Look at this. That's very cute indeed. But yeah, I was going to say, like, ask the Guitar Assassin, because like he is literally just Toby Fox, you know? I do miss being gay though. Hi Gene. Yeah, not anymore. Yeah, not anymore. Not anymore.
My noodle. Tislin belly.
My noodle. I don't understand what's noodle. What is noodle? I would send the rest of them, but I don't want to override you with override me with music. Yeah, override me with my music, with her music. Bam bam bararam bam bam bararam. I don't know that kanji. Anyway, so yeah, we are trying to figure out what are we going to do with this. Okay, because like we are trying to make like the depth detection of turn-based combat system, command system, battle system, or something like that, like for an RPG, right? Okay, and we have monsters. The game is kind of like training monsters. It's basically, it's like heavily inspired by Pokemon, and so but there is something that is happening with this game that's like Pokemon only has generally, like most of the battles have only one monster. I'm trying to develop this system where you always battle with only 2 Pokemons, or at most 2 Pokemons, but you always have the option of putting out, I mean, not Pokemons, monsters. Sorry, Nintendo, don't come after me. I'm not copying you. I'm literally just trying to do something different. Legally different. So yeah, like we have 2 monsters, okay, and then we are just trying to make the decision, how do we handle death, okay? But we got a lot of messages in here.
I do have something to share too. At Damsel Heart Applause Break Concha.
What?
Minor 4, the fourth note of the scale as a minor chord, is a chord that normally isn't in the key but invokes a feeling of nostalgia.
Hey, nice information.
Steve 57 love.
Yeah.
Something my live.
Do it, Denzel, do it. Share it. Share away. Let's see. Competitive Pokemon is 2v2 as it's inherently more balanced. Really? Interesting. Very interesting. Didn't know. I'm not really... Do it. Yes, do it. I'm not really into... I'm not really integrated, I guess, with the Pokemon scene. But interesting. Like Showdown? Is Showdown...
Competitive Pokemon is 2v2 as it is inherently more balanced.
Always 2v2?
Damsel Heart, yes.
Oh, we got some links. Let's see. So I have a work in progress of my first emote. Oh man, that's so good. That's so good. Will it read though? I feel like I'm kind of worried because like the what's the name of the page again? Emote tester, I think. Emote tester. Like the image is so big, like it has so many details which I don't think will convey good on the little emote. Like look at this. Hey mochi, oh that's skinny. I don't know, sorry, I just went and I'm doing the feedback, even though you didn't really request it for feedback, but I'm doing the feedback anyway. But look at this, like it reads very, very...
So I have a WIP on my first emote.
What's the name of it? Like messy, you know? I know this is like the first work in progress, but I do worry for the size, the resolution of this, because the size we will be always seeing the little emotes are always going to be 110, 56 and 28, you know. So that's kind of concerning, but very well drawn as always. How could it be any different, right? I really like the despair. I really like the despair in the eyes, you know, like what the fuck have you just said? This has this kind of feeling to me. What is happening on my chat? Like on my chat, everything is happening on my chat. Not always what? Not always. Oh, the competition 2v2. Okay. Yo, I saw you were working on that last night. I was lurking. Hey, Anubis, I'm glad to hear. I got a color it still. Yeah, you do need. I really enjoy watching you make the Nintendo ladies all together. It's so cute. It is indeed very cute. Sorry, I was only able to lurk. Hey, no problem, Anubis. What do you mean? We survive on lurkers. Thank you, I appreciate it. And it's also okay, it doesn't bother me. Oh yeah, the details are gonna get lost. Yeah, totally. I'm just happy you were there. And shake it, baby, kebab, let's go. When and if I stream, Mr. Jean, I am excited to work on emotes. And overlays and redeems, all that. I thought I kinda get the feeling that although I kinda get that feeling from make Discord servers. Interesting, very interesting. I'm excited but nervous as well. Lol. Here's a question for streamers. Do you prefer someone who says hi and immediately goes off lurking, or lurking is the shadows? I prefer saying hi during lurking, but it's fine either way.
At Anubis streams I prefer saying hi than lurking.
Yeah.
It's fine either way.
I will wait for the ad to end so I can comment on that. But, you know, do got an option. Not an option, an opinion. That's how you do it. Yeah, that's how you say it. 2 seconds. 1 second. Any second now. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go. Let's freaking go. Okay. So yeah. Also prefer the saying hi and then lurking. But it's mostly like because I like seeing you on the chat, even if you are not active in there. It just allows me to like get more attached to you, you know, because you're always showing up. You as in like a metaphorical sense of the way, like, hey, you the chatter, you know, if the chatter is showing up just to say hi and like immediately goes, hey, I'm a lurk, that's awesome. But no, it's a preference. It's a preference, but it doesn't bug me either way. Like if the person just come in here and lurk and never say anything. Like, to be fair, as long as they follow as long as they follow and come back, I don't care. But talking about like the random lurkers who just come by and just, you know, no, like just people who are scrolling on the Twitch apps and happen to stop by and don't come into the screen to watch and to just lurk. That kind of makes me sad, not because they are doing that, just because like the viewership goes up and then the viewership goes down, and that kind of makes me sad. But I need to control myself not to be sad about it because it's just normal. But it's just like monkey brain see a number going down and monkey brain gets sad. I guess that's how it works. Anyway, that's kind of my general opinion. What's happening again? I like to know who's hanging out with me, you know? Yeah, same. Exactly. Thank you for like summarizing all of my yapping with one message with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 second what 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 words. 12 words. You're amazing, Dezo. You're amazing. I'm gonna add Vihoyer to my game. What do we think, people? Should Vihoyer be a character you fight, a quest, do a quest for, or just chat with? And Ibis, how do you feel about it? Vihoyer, I definitely relate to that feeling. Yeah, right? Right? Like monkey brain is just too powerful. Should I be a character you fight, a quest, or a chat with? I don't know. I don't know. You should do whatever you feel comfortable with. Whatever serves the story better. That's what I want. I try. Yeah. We gotta try. But it's so difficult. So difficult. I was chatting with Pammy today about how oh man, yeah. About how do we feel about like the average viewership going up and down a lot, like through the weeks. It's always so difficult to just handle. Like, how can you handle the numbers? The numbers are just so on your face. But anyway, let's focus. You know what? Wheel time. The wheels shall decide. Yeah, let's go. Let's do it. Let's do it real quick. Look at this.
IMA add Vihoyer to my game. What do we think, people?
Look at this.
Should Vihoyer be a character you fight, do a quest for, or just chat with? At Anubis streams, how do you feel about it? At Vihoyer, I definitely relate to that feeling.
Decide. Fight. What is this? Chat. Quest.
At Vihoyer, I try Vihoyer heart is love.
There you go. There we go. And there we go.
You know what wheel time?
There you
The
go.
wheel
Wheel
shall be turned.
time. You have to do a
I'm
quest for
trying my
me.
best to not stare at the numbers not like this.
Yeah, the numbers are just like I try like right now I have the viewership like hidden. Like the number of viewers I have right now is hidden because I'm just trying. But like every time I like I'm always so curious like to just to know like, oh man, how well am I doing? It's funny to just gauge the performance based on the viewership, but how could you not, right? And I always like just peek at the number and go back like, hey, it's hidden, I shouldn't be looking at it, but I'm looking at it anyway, so it just defeats the purpose of hiding it anyway. I did a wheel with like 60 of the same options, but one of them is making him a boss. Hey, look at this. I should, that's something that I really should do for the wheel, right? To like add different weights for the segments. Yeah, adding weights for the segments would be awesome. But you
I did
know,
a wheel with like 60 of the same options, but one of them is make him a boss.
awesome idea. Let's focus on this shit. So yeah. I'll get through all this never-ending blue. I think that just
I'm okay with all forms or lurking a newbie 12 he some say hi and lurk, some immediately writes lurk and some in the shadows. OOP my wheel did boss. Okay V Hoyer will be a character you do a quest with and then fight.
look at that. Besides, I have my not so anonymous lurk. Yeah, your anonymous lurk is not anonymous at all. What you're talking about?
Besides, I have my not so.
Redeem the noob dog howl.
At Anubis streams LOL I understand my noodle.
Noodle. Noodles. What do you do? I think we're going for like more of a Pokemon style of like popping up the option. But anyway, if we are doing that, that means when the monster health is below 0, I need to pop an option to the side. I need to, oh my god, I need to relay the decision. I mean, what am I writing even? Oh man. There you go. So relay to agent. This means that either the AI chooses the next fighter or the player through UI. That's the most terrible handwriting I've ever drawn, I think. Anyway, so relate to the agent and yeah.
Gene, I'll definitely hit you up with helping me on my Discord.
Oh yeah, if you do love doing Discords, do you want to do mine? Because like I have like the most basic setup ever. Like I have the welcome rules, we have nothing. I have like the stream schedule, which I just set up because like a newbie talked about it with me. I have the announcements, which just has like a previous game. I have like resources, which definitely don't need to exist.
Because I'm busy this weekend.
And also like off topic in general, that's the most generic Discord server you could ever ask for, you know. I don't know when I don't know when because I'm busy this weekend, but I will.
But I will.
This sounds like a threat. Okay, so first things first, I think we need to detect. Let's begin with the beginning. In the beginning. So let's detect when any of the monsters have the active monsters have a health below 0. How do we do this? Do you have like a... No, we don't. Like an array with all of the agents. Okay, let's just look at them both then. So for a monster in agent player dot active slots, no, get active monsters. If monster dot battle monster dot health is equal to 0. What does it need to do? Pass the decision of selecting a new monster to the player agent. That's something that needs to happen, okay? I feel like the two for loops are going to be the same. I think we can do something like this, okay? Agents. There's an array of battle agents. Battle agents. That when you get, you return an array of agent, opponent, agent player, and agent opponent, okay? Then we can do another for loop. Agent, battle agent, in agents. And then in here we got the agent. And then I have the health.
Okay, I'ma be back later. I gotta drive.
Okay, no
Bye
problem, Denzel. Bye-bye. So if this is like greater than 0, then just continue.
At damsel heart, yes. At damsel heart by damsel.
Bye-bye, Denzel. You're so hyped. So if the monster health is greater than 0, just ignore it. If it's lower than 0, then we need to prompt the agent to select a new one. Select monster? Replacement monster?
Bye Bella.
Bye-bye.
If anyone needs help making a Discord server, let me know.
Mr. Gene, I want help, Mr. making a Discord server. Do you want to help me? How is this going to work? Instead of getting the active slots,
now and invite you and make you a mod.
let's go, I guess. Don't you want to enter on this one? Well, like start one and then have you be like, I want these and these, etc. Oh, I see. Well, that's the problem. I don't want anything. I'm just such a bad person.
Well, like start one and then have you
monster
like,
equals var.
Oh, I didn't know you already had one.
Do you want to enter on it? Do you want to enter on it? So agent dot active slots dot index, I guess. Index.
Yes, please.
Just exclamation mark Discord and enter it. Let's go. So if monster is equal to null, then just continue. If the monster health is greater than 0, continue. If not, then we want to get the agent active slot. Get that monsters. Hey, we already have something like this. Look at this. I don't think we need this, that.
If you don't want
There
more
you go.
stuff, I could just make stuff look nice, and have roles look good, ECT.
Get it done, get it done, odole, get it done, get it done. Let's make a... Oh, that's the wrong one. Server settings. Engagement, member roles. Switch subscribe. Oh, look at this. Don. Let's create a role. Bang. Add me. I don't know. Isn't there like yeah, there you go. Member with this permission will have every permission and will also bypass all channel specific permissions or restrictions. For example, these members would get access to all private messages. This is dangerous permission to grant. Are you going to nuke my Discord server, Mr. Jing? Dun, get it down, get it down, all the way. There you go. Do it. Get it down. I mean, don't do it. Don't nuke the server. Don't nuke the server. Down. So you have the swap slots, we have get alive monsters, which is something that I don't really want to have. We got dead monsters, dead active monsters, which I don't think it's also really relevant. But I do think we need to select to have a select new monster. Choose action, funk. Choose monster? Really? Huh. Battle monster. Eternal. It's interesting, right? Where is it? Is it here? No, it's not. Oh! Kind of is. No, this is it. Okay. Whatever is happening here. Oh, no, I see. I understand. Everything makes sense now. Okay, so in here, I think what we can do is create a new function in here. Do we? I'm thinking here. I think so, yeah. So choose... What do you choose? Choose monster. Is that the name? Choose monster. Choose monster. We'll have something like these in here. Choose monster. Let's go. What will we have in here? Await. So we need to get the benched Pokemon. I mean, monster. Nintendo, I did not say anything about it. Sorry. I really appreciate your IP. I think you did a great job, and it really inspired us to make a game about monsters. Also, you know, that's just how it goes. Please don't sue us. We don't even got money.
I can send rest of songs if you want. You don't have to listen to them on stream if you
yeah,
don't
please,
want.
please.
Like more tracks.
I wanna hear them all. But probably not on stream. I feel like that's a new song. I haven't heard this song before. I don't think so. So I'll wait. I need a function in here that gets a monster and returns a boolean. Is monster alive? Ba-da.
Sent rest of M.
Good, thank you very much. Battle monster. Monster.health. I mean, not health. I mean, not dot. It's above 0. No, it is disabled if it is below or equal to 0. New monster. Let's go. Actually, oh my god. Actually, in the battle agent, we kind of...
Some made by me, some made by friends.
Oh, good, cool. Get alive monsters? Let's leave then here, okay? Da-da-ba-da-ba. So, return null. So alive count will be equal to self.get alive monsters dot size. Oh wait, no, that's not really what I wanted to. Ow! Ooh, never mind that. I hit a bruise I have on my finger. Okay, I think there is no better option to do this than to get the benched monsters. I mean, I can only have any here actually. So if any m dot health is bigger than 0, is alive. Is there alive ones? I guess that's a good. If not, is there alive ones? Return new. Look at this. Alive benched. If not, alive benched. If not, yeah, sure, whatever. This is good, I guess. But if we got alive benched monsters, then we add the UI. Ba 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 da ba. Ba 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 da ba 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 ba. Bum bum ba dum bum. So new monster then, I think. I think that's what we want to do actually. There you go, choose a new monster. But also, interesting.
My fav track is the final boss fight music, made by my friend. They did such a good job. How long have you been working on this project?
Let's hear about it. Let's hear the song. How long have I been? Oh my god, this is so boring. Oh no. Why you gotta do? Why you gotta be so mean? Where's the flair? Where's the fun? My weakness. Yes, sorry, please. Funk it up. Battle boss. Let's listen to the battle boss. Also, well, so yeah, how long have you been working on this project? I have been working,
It's final boss fight.
I don't know,
The music name.
some hours, 20 hours, something like that.
At Thaguatar Assassin
20 so hours, but I'm doing this project with Arya and some other people, and Admiri and some other people. But this is the normal boss? Oh, it's not the final boss, sorry. Final boss, let's go. Wait, the fight or the theme? The fight.
That one is normal boss.
Ooh, that's nice, that's nice. But like in this game, I only made this ugly as UI and the battle system, so that's that.
It's ugly, oh my god.
Oh, the ugly as UI? Yeah, it is. But I mean, I was not trying to make anything
You're
beautiful.
entering the ad void.
Far from that, actually.
Great final boss battle music v Hoyer Tada.
Ta-da. Oh, well, welcome back. Sorry for the break. um, yeah, it is super ugly, right? It's super ugly. Oh well. Shit happens. Shit happens all the time. So, stuff is breaking and I don't know why. Oh, yeah. Always. Also, something that bugs me a lot about this game is that I have absolutely no freaking idea make how to make the sound, the song of this game like quieter. But anyway, this is like early days of the project. But yeah, 66 damage to Migo. Bam 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 bam. Okay, nothing happened there. Let's just keep going. Who cares? Who freaking cares? Ah. Oh. Ah. Actually, let's get these. That size better. Index. Monster equal. Oh yeah, active slot. Index would be equal to await. Agent dot choose monster. Yeah. Actually. Var new monster. New monster. But if is that the way you change stuff? Yeah, I think it is.
I know my friend did great.
Your friend did amazing, yeah. Oh, actually, that's not how you do it. Yeah. I actually need to get like a new duplicate one. So var new slots. Then the new slots need to get the new monster, and then these needs to be better, I guess. You know what? You know what? Like, let's just do a new thinking here. Swap slots instead of swap slots. Let's just change slot? Question mark. Index is an integer and new monster.
I would release the game on Steam because this is planning on being a full project, but I don't want to pay $200 just to make a Steam page.
But it's only $100.
So I am planning on releasing it on itch for free the first day it comes out, and then have it be like $5 after.
Interesting. Interesting. I think I think. What do I think? I think that like there is like if you try to advertise or market the game a little bit, there's no way no one plays it, right? And if you value people playing more than earning something with it, then like I don't know, just leave it as donations, right? But also, I don't know, I don't think maybe I wouldn't be where I am today if I thought that if you choose to charge for the game, for a game, no one would buy it, you know? I think people surely some people would buy, you know?
Yet I don't know either donations or just money.
Yep. But anyway, it's only $100. It's only $100, not 200. So let's go. Or is it 200? I don't think it is. I don't think it is. I think it's only 100.
And get excited when it comes out and play it.
Nice. That's the way. That's the way. Make a demo. Make a demo. Do it. What am I doing? Oh my god, what am I doing? Change the slot. Yeah, sure. Let's name it slot. Slot change.
Yes, free demo W idea. Why did I not think of that?
Oh man, you totally need to study like hell how to market the game. Okay? Sit with me here. That's kind of a flashbang, but listen to me. Listen to me. This guy is the GOAT, okay? Let's go into YouTube real quick. How to market a game. Wait a minute. Game Changers Season 7. Hey, I think I will need to finish the stream today because I need to watch this. And I know I'm not doing that, but I'm definitely watching it as soon as possible, as soon as freaking possible. This guy here, this little guy here, I mean this big guy here, this guy is the GOAT. This guy is the GOAT about everyone who talks about selling games on YouTube and actually, the internet, not YouTube, the internet knows about this guy. I don't know his name. No, I don't know his name, but his name is Chris Zukolski. Chris Zukolski. I think that's how you pronounce his name. But this guy is the GOAT. You absolutely need to pay attention to everything this guy said. Okay? How to market the game on Steam, or like his platform of choice is Steam, but I'm sure if you only want to do itch.io, I think most of it applies. I think most of it applies. I have a cool playlist here called what is the playlist called? Oh my god, I'm a little bit terrified of showing my playlist to you. I don't even remember what do I have in there, but good stuff it is not. It can't be good stuff. So yeah, there you go. We're back. I have a playlist about like only game dev stuff, and recently I've been adding oldest? No, not oldest. Newest. There you go. There we go. Where is it? Yeah. Recently, I've been adding a lot about a lot information about marketing.
Games play later. Be honest, Vpire.
I don't know what you're talking about, but no, it's not about sussy games. It's about. Never mind. Yeah, I think like this talk is a great talk, and also this talk is a great talk, especially the later one. I highly suggest you to hear the guy out. Okay, that's what I want to say to you.
Link.
Ta 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 ta. There you go. Link without the playlist. Ba, 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 da, ba, da, ba. You like the taste of the power, wouldn't you like more than words? Deep in the night, the light lasts for hours. You can be hurt or you can be hurt. Wouldn't you like to have some of the magic? Wouldn't you like to don't prefer it? Deep in the night, the fight can be tragic. I'll be to conquer her. Replacing files, so swap slots needs to become slot swap. Find. Where's the replace part? Replacing files. Slot swap. Would you like the taste of the flowers? Would you like to use other words? Is there be hurt that you can be hurt? Oh man, should have saved. Would you like to take some the magic, or would you like to you don't prefer? Deep in the night, the fight can be tragic. I'll help you conquer her. What's happening? I'm lost in my own code. Oh my god. So it's slot swap and battle agent. Slot swap. It's fine. It's fine. And then the slot change. But the slot change needs to have an index. Get a new monster. Then we need to new slots and collective slots dots duplicate. The new slots.
And oh my god, I made the best BG. Let me send VID.
Hey, nice. Set index new monster, and then active slots become new slots. There you go. No, not new monster, new slots. There you go. Okay, where were I? Where was I? Where were we? There we were. Okay, so this is kinda dumb. So agent dot slot change index and new monster, or no, it needs to be new monster. New monster. But if monster, not monster, new monster is equal to null, then we need to do something. if you got no one else to, if you got no one else to select, I think we need to signal that the battle has ended. It's such a random place to have like the battle ended test, you know. But anyway, the battle ended dot emit.
Sent.
Good, nice. I'll check it. But I guess that's it. Also return. Like, it's such a random place for the end of battle detection. Like it's good that it is on the on turn ended function. That's the end of where this makes sense, because like this detection, the battle ending detection, is inside a if after 2 ifs inside of 2 fors. That this feels wrong. This feels very wrong. But alas, I guess that's it. I guess that's it. Bum, 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 ba, da, 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 da. We also need to detect somewhere in here, but who cares? I don't think I care. Something in here about... Hey, another song request. Let's go.
Link.
Ba-da-da-da-bum, bum, ba-da-dum, bum, bum, ba-da-dum. Where is it? Why is it not loading? Oh man, what happened? Let's try again. Let's try without whatever it is. Oh, might be the playlist. Yeah, there we go.
Oh, might be the playlist. Let me try.
No, it's fine. I think that's the one, right? I just like deleted most of the UI. I mean, not the UI, most of the link. Yeah, I just, you know, everything after the what's the name of this shit again? The question mark? Yeah, the question mark. After the question mark. Everything after the question mark is disposable. Oh, actually, forgot about that. Well, there you go. No lyrics. We also need to detect around here monster death emits to for animation purposes. But yeah. Ba-da-da-da. Oh, this is probably also a question of a battle ended emission instead of just a queue free. That said, I think the queue free also kind of works. And the battle emit here. We add a little coding here. Manager dot battle ended. What? There you go. Battle ended dot connect. Probably better to do something like this. Function manager dot queue free. There you go. Okay, I think it's going to be like good to also have like I don't know, information. What is this? Identify. Oh, actor name. Yeah. Let's go for monster, right? Monster dot. Actually, agent dot. Do you have like a name? Display name. Get display name. So actor has not. Do not have any monster and alive monsters. Actor has no alive monsters. What was the original message? And the battle ended. Yeah, let's do the battle ended. And the battle ended. Let's try. Let's try this. Okay, so sumo, a little bit of life, and now Shirokodama removal. And the person has died. Alright, Funk Get display name has no alive monsters and the battle has ended. And the battle ended. Good. Works better than it was working before. Battle agent needs to override the display one, which is opponent. I feel like opponent's a good opponent, a good generic name for it, but ideally we would have an option to further customize the display name, especially. Let's do something like this. I think it will be relevant. Display name is a string. It defaults to opponent. You know what? Forget about the default. Display name. Self the display name, it will be equal to display name. Oh man. There you go. Interesting. 시와시와니 시로데라라따따르 고가테미카에데 마라라라라라라라라라라. I think that's it. Sparkles. Add def detection on battle manager. That's not how you write manager, but like, I don't care. Well, no, actually, I do care. My flowers here, my flowers here, my flowers here, my flowers here, my flowers here. Actually, you need to also ignore the question mark. My flowers here, my flowers here, my flowers here, my flowers here, my flowers here. Oh, forgot about that. But it was a good try. It was a good try. Cassiopeia. What is this from? Is this a gaming track? Gaming song? Midonnaitorai Jiba? What? Rendezvous. Midnight Rendezvous. Venorak, the person who put some Cassiopeia is a goat. He really is, he really is. Also, by the way, hello Venorak, how are you doing? Welcome to the stream. Nope, a Japanese funk jazz band. A Japanese funk jazz band has everything going for them.
A lot of the musicians from here worked on the Mario Kart 8 soundtrack.
Ooh, really? Oh, that's so nice. That's so fucking nice. Midnight Rendezvous. Ba 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 ba. I absolutely do not know the difference between jazz and jazz fusion. Or maybe that's T square? Yeah, you're right.
Or maybe that's T square. Yeah, you're right.
So turns out I'm not the first person to ask this. What does the AI has to say about this? Jazz fusion is a subgenre of jazz that blends traditional jazz elements with influences from rock, funk, and R&B. Often uses electronic instruments and heavier rhythms. In contrast, traditional jazz primarily relies on acoustic instruments and a swing rhythm, focusing on improvisation and harmonic sophistication within the jazz framework. Good, cool, interesting. So the difference between jazz fusion and jazz is basically the instruments and the base of the rhythm. I think we still have improvisation in both versions of quote unquote jazz, right? I mean, quote unquote version of jazz.
You are entering
anyway.
the ad, boy.
And rhythms, yeah.
Rhythms, yeah.
Yeah, cool.
More energy and more modern instruments, yeah. But yet you hear a lot more electric guitar in fusion. More energy, more footwork. Yup, makes sense. Link. This is great too. Do we ever have light, heavy effects on the electric guitars? Like drive in lava,
You know, Venerank, I think it wouldn't be fair to the Guitar Assassin, especially if I just played your song without you using the song recommendation. So, you know, I might die. Sorry.
Sometimes.
But I'm so curious. Let's see it. Masayoshi Tanakawa. No, Takanaka. Takanaka. Hi. Oh, look at this. This is already something that is on there. Oh. Damn. I know these people. These people are nice. Oh man, yeah, there we go. So close to creating this then. Oh, T-square. Yeah, that's what you meant. Interesting. What do we have? We have it in Muton, Shazam tracks, and okay. And also this. There you go. Yeah, I love the summer / beat vibes. It's very nice. I like it. Okay, what were we doing? We were doing on working on the depth detection. Depth detection is done. What else do we kind of need to do?
Green.
Ecolon green. That's a great point. Let's add this. Oh no. Remove from the queue. Let's add this song to another playlist of mine. Mood lists. I have a playlist called Summer Vibes, you know, and I have never added this song to it, even though it's probably one of the best songs to match it. But anyway. So now we can kind of start trying to work on the battle AI. Move battle into the game. Oh yeah, that's done also. There you go. Now we only have battle monster AI left to do. You know what? Let's... And I don't even know what she says, but I like the feelings. I have a beach vibes playlist. Hey, that's us. Nice. Are you me?
I have a beach vibes playlist.
Am I you? Are you me? I have so many playlists. Like I'm always like whenever I show my Spotify playlist stuff to people always, like my friends, IRL friends, they always get kind of impressed by like the amount of stuff that I have and the quote unquote patience. We are us. Nice. The amount of patience that I have to make the playlist. But like I never saw making playlists as something that needs to have to as something that I would need to be patient about, because like I'm just here listening to songs, and whenever I see something that I find whenever I hear a song that I find attractive, I just like coming here, and add it to a playlist. I don't know. I don't understand people who say that making a playlist takes
We are us.
effort. It doesn't really. I don't feel like it takes that much effort. Like, it does take effort to like create a playlist and like just keep adding songs to it until you have like a proper playlist. But in the way that I do, not really. Like, in the moment I have a playlist called Memento Mori, right? Oh, or rather, Memento Mori. I think that's more of a better way to say it. But anyway, which is just like, I don't even know how to explain the process of what makes me want to add songs in this playlist. But this playlist is kind of like stuff that reminds me that I need.
I have playlists that fits vibes, and then I have the playlist with all the songs in it.
Yeah, we are
Time to
us.
create a new playlist.
The playlist, yeah, exactly. But I try not to make too many. Yeah. Because look at this,
But I
like
try to not make too many.
whatever. My playlist with my the playlist is my liked songs. Okay, I have like the 4,000 songs in here. Yeah, 108 hours. Yeah, I have a lot. So like everything that I like is in here. I just like try to shift my perspective of the liked songs, because back in the day, I used to have another playlist.
108 hours long. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh God.
Yeah. Whatever is this? Nothing. Apagar? Yeah, I do want to do it. Like, I had a playlist in here. That's not it. That's a bad idea. I don't really like that one. Playlist in a bottle. Suggestions to others.
We are Spatifa
Senivia.
dwellers. That's what my friends call me.
Yeah, I'm definitely a Spotify dweller. Like, I feel trapped by Spotify. Like, I feel like I can never get away from Spotify because I just have so many playlists and I can't migrate them to anywhere else. That anyway. Where's my playlist? Oh, here it is.
I don't
There.
have any playlists. I let the algorithm gods take the wheel.
Good. Yeah, I used to have like these top playlists, this fun playlist or something that kind of translates to which I used to just this used to be my the playlist, which I added everything. But I eventually just realized that the liked songs are basically the playlist, and then I just migrated. I migrated over. That's what I did. Also, I absolutely love the top yearly. Look at this. I've been here the whole time. I've been here since 2016. Listening to a bunch of stuff. I very much like to just go back to those old playlists and just listen to, what was my taste back in the day, Also, why is this song not available anymore? Warner. Oh well. R.A.P. RIP. Ooh, Lights Go Out. I used to listen to this song in 2006 and 17. Who knew? Ba, 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 ba. But anyway, I have like Spotify automatic playlists. I have like my gender list, which is like the music from Brazil, especially pagode, which is I'm fairly sure that pagode is kind of like a Brazilian genre written, which I have absolutely no idea how to convey with words. But let's go. I have the lo-fi one, a techno one, songs in Spanish, R&B, bossa nova, which is another Brazilian thing. Which, you know, being you two being such music nerds, I'm sure you already knew. I also had this very specific playlist called Classical Progressive Trance. That's such a vibe. Look at this shit. Yeah, shut up, Maury. Look at this. This is such a specific vibe. Classical progressive trance. The song just go crazy, you know? But absolutely love this. I also have, but like I do have the gender playlists. Look at the drop. Look at the drop. Oh, it wasn't the drop. There we go. Anyway, but I also have like my playlists of like mood lists, you know. We have like our calm playlist, we have our hype playlist, we have our sexy time, we have a working on the minds playlist, which is just another highly subjective playlist. This only contains songs that I feel like have the same feeling of, I don't know, just some of the guys working on the minds all together and singing and jamming, you know. I don't know. This is a funny one. Rage Quit is just a playlist I listen when I'm mad at something. It's good to just like, you know, they're good songs. Also, interestingly, I know this song called Memento Mori, which is not in the Memento Mori song playlist, just ironically. See, I don't really understand the point of a 5-song playlist. Yeah, you know, that's the point. There is no point in a 5-song playlist. This is a work in progress, you know. This is a work in progress. Like, soon. Not soon. Like, not soon because I'm not actually actively trying to find songs to fill this playlist. But the idea of this is just like, it's a forever building playlist, you know? That's the point of it for me, you know? Not that I really listen to those songs in the playlist. I mostly listen to the songs. I mostly use the playlist as a collection of songs, you know, just to separate stuff. I don't know. I also have this.
I don't really understand the point of a 5-song playlist. When I start a playlist, I don't want to start another one after 10 minutes. I don't start a playlist until I know I can put over 5h of music in it.
Oh my god, 5 hours of music, damn. No, as you can see, I sometimes have a playlist that only has one song, and I leave it there for years, you know. But like eventually they build up, you know. Cause like the Rage Quit has like a half an hour of content. And half an hour of content is kind of okay amount of content, right? I think. Look at this song. Tell me that this song doesn't have the vibe of working on the mind. Working on the mines. So to the company stone.
Link.
To come in the company store. I can go all my soul to the company store. I don't know.
I like the original 16 tons better.
Oh! Is this a cover? I didn't know. I have no idea. Let's just leave it at the liked ones. Let's search for it. 16 tones. I can go my soul to the company stone. I feel like I need to change the category of the string to just chatting. At this point, let's go. Oh, whatever. Tennessee, is that the original one? Tennessee Ernie Ford. I don't want to come in, I can call my soul to the company stone. Is this your account? Just. Dun, 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 dun. Oh man, that's not what I wanted to do. To come in the cock and call my soul to the company stone. Oh, I see the original one. You don't want to come in. Let's see if this version is different from this one.
Nice.
Oh, my soul to the company stone. Stone, not stone, star. Store. Company store. What do you have? Chilela. I don't even know how to pronounce this. Yes, by the way, yes, 8-bit band. 8-bit big band. Great one.
At Thiguatar Assassin, yes.
At
Rack, I saw them live.
Downs, I don't care.
Heart is love. Lucky.
I saw them live. Damn, I forget about that. Like, I forgot about how you saw them live and how I am, what's the name of it again? Jealous of you for, you know? Fuck you. Hello, Tricky Lady. How you doing? Now I want the Offspring best songs. Then, oh my son, on the bumping zone. Ooh. I have to agree with you. I think this one is better. But at the same time, this one.
The Offspring best songs.
What? But at the same time, this version of the song, the original one, doesn't really have the same feeling of like working on the mines. I don't know, the vibes, the vibes I get, you know. But I think that's a better song just to hear casually. Ooh, song 2, nice. Also, Alt G is just the goated. This is such a good artist, which I
LOL.
listen very little, but it's a very good artist. Also, that's not. What's the name of it again? Kind of forgot. Well, if I forgot, then forget about it, right? They came to my school. XD. Yeah, I remember now. Oh, Fireball is such a great song also. I can go. Oh my soul
Did you ever listen to We All Live
to
Together?
the company store.
I don't know.
Wait, what? What do you mean? Did you ever listen to We All Live Together? Because We All Live Together is like the best song ever. We all lived together. And also, I don't think We All Lived Together has the same feeling of working on the mind. Sorry. It's just not the same vibe. I don't know what to tell you. Don't know what to tell you. I don't get. Yeah, it's the same song. Oh, let's go. Pop, pop, ba, pop. Pop, pop, ba, pop.
Surprised face.
Surprising wiggy wiggy. Yeah, sorry. Like, I am so February gasted, I don't know. Fireball. Woo-woo! Woo-woo! Woohoo! Yeah, I am so flabbergasted. I don't know how to pronounce this word. Flabbergasted. I don't know. Let's not be here, because here we have like a campfire soundtrack. Let's just be here. Whatever. This is fine enough. Born on flame. I don't know what to tell you. Like, I think that there is no reason. Like, Keith Power has done such an amazing job working on an OST for a game that absolutely did not have any business having such a great OST as Warframe has. Do you listen to Too Mellow? I don't think so. Too Mellow. I don't think I've ever. Yeah, I don't think I've ever saw this artist.
Surprised face. They're so great.
Oh man. I know flame. Mama said, "We want on my name. I'm the best you've ever had. If you think I'm burning out, I never am. I'm on fire. I'm on fire. I'm on fire. I'm on fire. Fireball." This is great. I love this song. This song's so great. Bro, the founder of the 8-bit big band is a Berkeley dropout. Yeah, I mean, you know? That's not how you do it. That's not how you do it. That's how you do it. The best people in history are dropouts, right? That's why I dropped out of university myself. Because I want to be great. Bringing it back. We're bringing it back. Like the energy from Fireball from Pitbull is just like on the roof, through the roofs, you know? It's just Dan. Bringing it back. We're bringing it back. Anyway, let's listen to some We All Lived Together. I don't know. Yeah, let's get back to here. Chlorine. I don't know what to tell you, you know? How can these not have the feeling of working on the minds? It's because, like, we all live together kind of has a feeling to me of, like, this has more the feeling of working on the factory than working on the mines. That's my problem. That's my problem with this song. I mean, it's not a problem. It's just like that's why I don't have this song on the Working on the Minds playlist. Okay, if you know what I mean. Hard and we call our home. Push that keeps on dark from coming. Feel the weight of what we own. Great song. Making peace to build a future. I don't know. Let's listen to some of Too Mellow. Water flowing hard, where we call our home. But even Iraq, do you recommend any specific song from Too Mellow? This the song of songs and daughters, hide the heart of who we are. Build a future, strong, united, working till we fall. Hey, we got teenagers. What's the purpose of this playlist? Ooh, no, wait. Oui, elle est là. I don't speak French. Are you French, Venorek? Are you French? Or you just speak French? Or you're just like a free-spirited soul. Hype train.
Yeah, I'm a French Canadian.
Oh, I see. I understand. It all makes sense now. Hey, look. Ooh. I don't know. Wanna know. That's a nice one. I like this. Look at this. Ooh. Bum 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 ba bum bum. Bum 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 ba bum bum. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 ba dum bum. Oh, here we got Too Mellow. Pump up the love. I wanna name. Ooh, this song's very nice. Like perfume? Very nice. My word. Let me. Guess.
You are entering the ad void.
Gas, gas, gas. I wanna stop on the gas, step on the gas. Some Daft Punk. Interesting. I wanna name. Corn. Oh no, it's not corn. It's cornrow. I'm my one. Know your name, think about you, girl. I wanna know your name. Ooh. I missed a song. I wanna hear it again. Infinite Fields, damn. Ooh. I like to mellow. Let me say it. I like to mellow. Vinorak? That was good. That was good. Solely based on this singular song, I like to mellow. I want it, I want it, I want it. Magic Mirror Mix. Mirror Temple. Is this from Celeste? I kinda can read Celeste in here. Oh yeah, it's definitely written Celeste in here. Interesting. Ba 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 ba.
Yep.
Oh, I can use this to get to know an artist. Nice, interesting. Ba 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 ba. I wanna know. Ooh, I love this. I love this so much. Superliminal goes so hard. What the fuck? How could I never know that? I never played Superliminal, by the way. Damn. Definitely Cafe BGM. Look at this. Oh, we just looped. But this song is amazing. Ba-da. Ba-da. Rave shit. Summer walk. I love this vibe. I mean, fuck. I need to listen to this album later. No, Summer walk is the song. How can I get to this album? There we go. Damn! This album goes so hard, man. Look at this. Oh, man. So I got Superliminal, Summer Walks, Thug Wall, Sponge Fastest. Nice name, nice song name. Ooh, I like Come On. I like Come On. Come on, nice. Again, gotta love Superliminal OST. I don't even know if this is OST, whatever. I think that's enough. Maybe it's not enough. Oh, this goes so hard. I like this so much. Man. No, shut up. Go away. Also, this definitely needs to go into my gaming songs playlist. And also the rainy one. The others one, the other ones, I will need to hear them. But they probably will. They probably will end up on the other playlist, on the gaming songs playlist. Lo-fi, damn, lo-fi is so nice. Ba-da-ba-ba. Bum, 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 bum. Damn. Yeah, let's hear a little bit of Spectre from Chimpso. This song is another one that goes really hard. Bum, 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 bum. I feel like Infinite Fields is a playlist that I will be definitely want to hear about. To just hear. Hey, you nerd! You're a taco. Bum, 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 ba-da-da. Oh, I love this song. Claire de Lune. I think it's my favorite. Da 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 dum da 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 da. Sorry, I couldn't resist. But like, I think Claire de Lune is like my favorite classical music. If I had to choose, it should be it. Jimeno Petty though goes. It's really good also. But it has to be Claire de Lune. Nice. Another one of Fish in a Birdcage. Nice. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Ba-dum ba-dum ba-dum. Ba-dum 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 bum. Ooh, covers from Tears of the Kingdom. Interesting. Ba-da-da-da. Huh. Interesting. Happy to be. Yeah, but definitely Claire de Lune has the feeling of Infinite Fields. I gotta throw it to you. Gotta give it to you. Let's also save this. Let's also save this. I want to hear them all. Groove my world. Vroom vroom. What the fuck is vroom vroom? That's not my car. Ooh. 8-beat Big Bang. Band. Not Big Bang. I see.
That's just what I listen to when I'm in my car.
I see. That's a short playlist for listening to in the car.
I haven't updated in a while.
I see. But do you only listen to this playlist in the car? Why do you have this reservation? Is that like, do you have it downloaded on somewhere and that's why you only listen to this one on the car? Ooh, Ephemera, nice. I mean, not Ephemera, but like Tulipa Ruiz. Ruiz, nice. O tengo sorte. Star Wars Samba. The fuck? Taj Mahal. Mumbo number 6? Early Bird?
Not really.
The fuck is all of those shit? Ready to Fly, Mumbo Magic, Mumbo number 5, Disco Dango, Mumbo number 6. Huh. Cassiopeia. Sonho no Céu. Deixa do Toquinho. Let's take a look at that. Or take a listen at that. Not really. Oh, okay. Then okay.
It's just that I change the content of it with time.
Oh, I see. I understand. I just keep adding, and I listen, like I go in here on the edit on, and I invert the order, and I just keep listening to the latest added ones. That's why my playlists are kind of gigantic. I never delete them. I never delete stuff from them. Hey, gata. Hey, gata. Sorry. Ba, 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 ba. Under the Rain. Man, Under the Rain must be a great playlist. Let me save it. Let me save it for later. And also cozy. Ba, 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 ba. Interesting. I mean, what was I doing again?
All the playlist cover are pictures taken by me.
Oh, nice. Interesting. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at them again.
Except
Nice.
Oh,
okay. Yeah, yeah, kind of hard. How about this one? Was this one also one? One that you took it yourself? Interesting. Like the ones that I think I like the most are the cozy and the hype train. Cool tasting pictures, man. Cool tasting pictures.
Yet.
What was I doing again? Oh yeah, battle UI. Let's dabble a little bit on
Thank
battle
you.
UI. Not UI, AI. How do I even begin? You're welcome. You're welcome. Bum, 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 bum. Big brain AI. Oh, this stuff. My what is it? Best me, best V Hoyer is funny. I like the best V Hoyer's humor. Turn agent, sure. Ba-da-ba-ba-da-ba-ba-da-bum. What's like the most naive approach to AI that I can have? Is like get the active monsters. Get the active monsters and active.sort. Battle monster, we got the first battle monster, the second battle monster, and we compare the health of them. What's a problem? Oh, I forgot the comma here. Health. B.health. What's your problem? Sort expects. Oh, custom sort, sorry. Star Wars Samba. What the fuck? Oh my god. This definitely has beach vibes. I have to give it to you also. Hey, that caught me off guard. Anyway. Tentative target? Ba 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 ba. Most least health. Active front. But I don't even know if I will even get to use this. Because I need to consider my abilities, and how do I even choose my abilities? Hmm. I mean, the most naive approach would probably be to to select the ability that does most damage. But also the ability with most damage may not be able to target anyone. Bum, 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 bum. Nice. Ba, 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 da, ba, da, ba, ba, ba. Taj Mahal, Taj Mahal. Interesting, very interesting. Ah, Taj Mahal. I very much like the original version of this song. Taj Mahal, Taj Mahal, Taj Mahal, Taj Mahal. Ba 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 ba. Oh. Actually, I feel like the battle AI should respond. Like, we should maybe probably have one different AI for each. For each. For each personality, monster personality. Taj Mahal, Taj Mahal, Taj Mahal, Taj Mahal, Taj Mahal. Ba 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 da ba ba da. You know what? I am kind of hungry, and I am kind of hungry, and I feel like I need to stop the stream for today. So that will be it for today. Thank you very much, you all, for being here. I know I just started working on the better AI, and I promise I'll not. I don't promise anything actually, but like I'll probably not work on the better AI. Who knows? Let's see.
For stream.
Thank you, Anubis, for being here all this time. You are amazing. You're freaking amazing. Gotta love you. That's why you're the bestie. You're the best. Period. Just the best. Anyway. See you next stream. Bye bye. Bye bye. Do we rate someone? Forget about it. Let's just end the stream. Besties. BFF. Let's go. By the way, bye bye. We'll probably be here next Wednesday.